Installation of the VARTA Pulse Neo in 6 simple steps. The items shown in the image are included in the delivery. In the VARTA Storage B2B area, you won't just find important information relating to the energy store, you will also find the most important documents for planning. At the beginning of the installation, the VARTA split core current sensor is placed in the current distribution board near the household meter. The conductors must be placed through the opening of the blue folding transducer. The phase assignment L1, L2, L3 must correspond to a clockwise rotary field, and the arrows must point in the direction of the consumer. Next, the base beam must be mounted on a flat wall. When mounting, please observe the correct placement, room temperature, humidity, and noise emission. Now lay an internet connection and establish a connection to the customer's router. For the connection to the house network, the 3-wire AC connection line must be connected to the AC plug connection included in the delivery. The 2 ferrites must be attached to the AC cable to reduce EMC interference. Now all the plug connections to the storage unit must be made. Be careful not to plug the grid sensor into the PV socket. In the next step, the battery module has to be mounted. Lift the battery module onto the 2 mounting rails of the carrier plate. Secure the battery module using the 4 enclosed screws. You can then create the connections on the battery module. The connections for the battery current must engage audibly. Be careful not to mix up the dry contacts and connect the CAN cable in the correct connection. Remove the sticker with the unlock code. You will need this later for warranty registration. Finally, assemble and close the hood. Connect the hood and battery charger to the earth wire. To commission the storage system, the commissioning wizard must be started via the web interface and the unit must be configured. To do this address, combined with a 9-digit serial number, must be entered in the browser. Here you are guided step by step through the initial commissioning process. Please consider whether you would like to register for the warranty. If you require, you will find a short video on this in our VARTA Storage B2B portal.